Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, disconnect all external devices to remove boot conflicts, then hold the power button for 8 to 10 seconds to force a full shutdown. Once the machine is off, wait 10 seconds to clear capacitors, then power on while watching LED codes and listening for beeps so you can identify post issues. If you recently installed software or updates, make a mental note. That information directs the next steps to isolate whether the hang is software or hardware related. Once done with the basic restart, immediately enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the boot order and disable any unfamiliar devices. This prevents the system from attempting to boot from a bad source. If BIOS looks normal, boot into safe mode or recovery to load minimal drivers and rollback updates or drivers that cause freezes. Make sure to run a quick RAM test and smart check on drives. Swapping a RAM stick or trying the SSD/HDD on another machine isolates failing components and explains persistent hangs. You finish by repairing the installation or performing a clean OS install if diagnostics point to corruption. This erases software causes and restores boot files. Before reinstalling, reset SATA/PCIe cables, RAM, GPU, and check that the PSU and CPU fans are connected so hardware isn't silently stalling the system. Once done, verify stable boot into desktop and run stress tests. If things go wrong, use a bootable USB with recovery and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.